This video explains how to buy shares of Agencia Comercial Spirits Ltd, ticker AGCC, which is listed on NASDAQ. Agencia Comercial Spirits is a spirits producer and distributor. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. To trade AGCC, you will need a broker. I use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AGCC to locate the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ result that matches Agencia Comercial Spirits Ltd. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct security. Check the company name and the NASDAQ tag before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review the order details and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed as an order type appropriate to the platform. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once the trade is executed, your AGCC position will appear in your portfolio. For the example used in this video, see the eToro link in the description.